Welcome to my first DIY video. Today we're looking at the Shure SM57 and installing on it the optional A81ws windscreen. Now, I looked at a lot of information on the internet and nobody had a really good tutorial on how to install this thing. It's not necessarily meant for this microphone, so the fit is a bit tight. And if you weren't careful, you could end up destroying this $30 windscreen in the process. So as you can see, it doesn't fit. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some of this HDPE plastic from an empty vinegar bottle, and we're going to cut a panel to make a collar. So here we are, we're just cutting the top off. Now we take a nice square panel from the side of the bottle. You can wrap this around your microphone in order to just make sure that it's wide enough. You want just a little overlap, just like that. So then what you'll want to do is roll this piece of plastic up so that it'll fit inside of the microphone windscreen. There we are. Now, if you have one side that's cleaner than the other, I recommend you put that side into the windscreen just until it bottoms out on that top foam. And then you can try to insert your microphone. You might need to spread it a little bit just to get it started, but in she goes. Nice and easy. Slides right on in just until it stops. And now you can remove the collar. And adjust the windscreen to your liking. There you go. Just that easy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Drop me a like and a subscribe. I mostly do video game related content. I stream a little bit, but I've got some DIY projects coming up. So come back and check them out. Thanks for watching.